Good morning, Norfolk. This is our view here. It was snowing last night and now it's starting to rain. Morning. Good morning. I'm not supposed to do a vlog today, but I just want to share to you our hotel here that is close to the airport, the Norfolk International Airport. It is also close to, I have not been there, but I've seen the signs when we were driving on our way here that is close to the outlet. And I think it's just a minute away is also the IKEA. It's, the premium, yeah, it's a premium outlet. And it's close also to IKEA. And we were upgraded to a suite room and I will be showing it to you later. But before that, we're going to check first their breakfast here. I think there are a lot of hotels here close, like there's Marriott, there's a lot of hotels, but this one is like, I think most of the hotels here are all new, but this one is really new, a new hotel. But before that, before showing you our room, we'll check first their breakfast. See ya. What you got, sweetheart? You got egg, those hash brown. So far you got this one. What's next? Oh wow, look at the bacon. Those sausage. We got pork sausage and turkey sausage. What's that? So you got fruits. You got milk. There's coffee in there. Breads and juice. I got orange juice and chocolate milk. Ano drinks mo, sweetheart? Water and coffee. Ooh. Sweetheart, got this one. And now I'm going to show you our room. So we were upgraded to a suite room. So you can tell our room is huge because of this two-door, double door. So when you enter, sorry for the mess because we have used it already. To the left side is the bathroom. I don't know why this is a very huge room, but their bathroom is not that big. So they're providing shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. So this is the shower, and with only one sink. They're also providing lotion. And when you get out from the bathroom, there's a storage thing here. So probably for your luggages. So this is the main door. And to the other side is like a cabinet. It's a closet. They have the safety box. So this is cabinet, and this side is like a small kitchen. They are providing a microwave. I don't know what's in here. There's nothing. But there's a small sink. So there's an area here for coffee. And there's a fridge here. Okay, so I'll be showing you how huge is the room. Start! See? It's already huge on that area, and there's no bed in there yet because it's still over there. It's huge. The room is huge with a desk. Look, if I'll be sitting here, it's like too far. Probably this is like 2 rooms. Right, sweetheart? 2 rooms. So see, I'll be sitting here and the bed is still there. There's a TV, a big TV. So you can move the TV if you would be lying down in the bed. You can move that way. If you're sitting in that area, you can also move the TV. And with this huge room, we only have this small window. See, it's a small window. This is huge. I can say it's huge room. The biggest room I have experienced. That's why I want to share it to everybody how huge is our room. See, it's huge. Let's see what's the update of the weather. It's raining now. The snow is melting. So with regards to the breakfast, we were given $15 each. Like, ano yun si tawag doon? Voucher? Food credit. So we were given $15 each food credit. And if I'll be showing you the menu, they are like mostly if you order breakfast, it would be like $15, $14. $13, and it doesn't include any drink. So we decided to have the buffet, which was $21. So 21, so it would be 42 minus 30, so it would be like $12. But because of like tax or additional service charge, we paid how much? $17 for both of us. So it's still worth it. The food was good. I had juice, chocolate, milk, everything. And that's it. Bye. By the way, this is Doubletree Hotel by Hilton. It's close to the airport, to the premium outlets, and it is also close to IKEA. Bye.